Jollibee, ready na ba kayo, Jollibee and Yum? Ready na, syempre. Ano pa? Pero paalala lamang po sa ating mga Jolly Kids, maaari naman kung manatiling nakaupo sa ating mga seat para maiwasan matamaan ni Jollibee and Yum. And of course, mami at daddy, makikiwa ka na lamang po ng mga Jolly Kids natin para maiwasan matamaan ni Jollibee and Yum. Okay? Kaya naman, this time, once again, my best friend, your best friend, the one and only Jollibee and Yum. Ay, hindi yan. Yung isa, Kuya Candy.
DJ Ernan.
One more time. Once again, your best friend, Jollibee and Yum. Palapakan naman natin sila, everyone. Wow! And of course, this time, syempre to honors Patrick's birthday cake. At tinatawagan po natin dito si Patrick sa unahan. Kasama si Mama Madeleine together with Paul.
Stop, sit down na.
To blow his birthday candle. And lahat po tayo tumayo. Let us all stand up po. Ayan, dahil hindi matatapos ang celebration ni Patrick kung hindi natin siya kakantahan ng happy birthday.
Kakantahan?
Let us all sing happy birthday.
Kakantahan.
And 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
At syempre yung mas mabilis naman, go! And of course, this time, syempre bago tuloy yung blow ni Patrick ang kanyang birthday candle, maririnig muna natin syempre yung birthday wish ni Ma'am Madeline. Ano? Ayaw ni Daddy Paolo kasi baka maiyak lang daw siya. Ayaw, mag-wish mo ba si Daddy? Ayaw niya. Sige, si Ma'am Madeline na lang. Ma'am Madeline, what's your birthday wish para kay Patrick?
Kuya PM, happy birthday. Mag-aaral mabuti, maging mabait na bata. Huwag na kayo mag-aaway lagi ni Paul, baka hindi ma-stress yun. Mahal na mahal ka.
Ayan, Mami Madeline, pinaiyak mo si Jollibee tsaka sila. O yan, nagtatapos tuloy sila. Okay na kayo talaga, punas na ng buhay. And palagpakan naman natin si Mami Madeline, everyone. And of course, si Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul, what's your birthday wish, Kuya Patrick? What's your birthday wish? Anong gusto mo sabihin kay Kuya?
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Palagpakan naman natin si Paul, everyone. And this time, tatanungin din natin syempre si PM. Patrick, ano na yung birthday wish mo, sabi ni best friend niya, Annie Jollibee?
Masaya ako nang magiging bata at matupad ko ang aking pangarap.
Wow, siyempre matupad ang kanyang pangarap. Palpakan naman natin si Patrick, everyone. And ang wish namin sa iyo, Patrick, siya na matupad ang birthday wish ni Mommy and ni Daddy. At marami pa birthday celebration na maganap po here at the Jolly Race. Kasama si best friend niya and si best friend Jollibee. Kaya naman this time, sabay-sabay po natin bibilangan si Patrick ng 3. Kaya naman, let's count in 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle. Happy birthday!
Jolly birthday to you. May your wishes come true. Make your mommy and your daddy all so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you. May your dreams happen too. This Jollibee kitty party was made just for you.
And syempre, thanks to celebrate si Patrick na kanyang 7th birthday. Bibigyan natin siya ng 7 times sa palakpak in 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at sabay-sabay natin siya muling batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday in 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday.
Ayan. Thank you so much, yan. Give natin your seat. Maraming salamat. At this time, Ma'am Madeline and Sir Al. Ayan, Patrick, dito na po tayo sa unahan. Ay, muna natin iwanan si best friend Jollibee and yan. Dahil susulitin na natin syempre ang ating pakikipagbanding sa ating mga best